Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop Windows 11 from saving files to OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft OneDrive app on your PC. To do this, locate and click on the OneDrive icon in your system tray. The system tray is typically found in the bottom right corner of your screen, near your clock and other notification icons. Clicking this icon will launch the OneDrive interface. Now, you'll need to wait a moment while the app initializes and fully opens. Depending on your system's performance and how many files you have synced, this might take a few seconds. Just give it time to load completely before proceeding to the next step, so you don't run into any issues. Once the OneDrive window is ready and fully loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll see a gear icon there, which is your settings button. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to access your OneDrive settings. This will open up the OneDrive settings window where you can manage various aspects of how OneDrive operates on your computer. When the settings window appears, look at the left-hand menu. You'll find several options listed there, but the one you need is labeled Sync and Backup. Click on this option to access the backup settings for your OneDrive. This section controls which folders are automatically synced to your cloud storage, which is exactly what we need to modify. From the Sync and Backup section, locate and click on the Manage Backup button. This button gives you control over all the folders that are currently being backed up to OneDrive. Clicking it will reveal detailed options for managing your backup preferences. Now you'll see a complete list of all the folders that are currently synced and configured with your OneDrive app. These are the folders that Windows 11 is automatically saving to your cloud storage. To stop Windows 11 from saving files to OneDrive, simply click on the toggle button next to each folder you want to disconnect. By turning off these toggles, you're disabling the automatic backup for those specific folders, which means new files you save to those locations will no longer be automatically uploaded to OneDrive. And that's it. You've successfully stopped Windows 11 from automatically saving your files to OneDrive. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.